Hi, VPA, and a very happy new year to you. I hope you are experiencing such a great beginning to your year. And as we explore our theme, marching towards maturity, I hope you're in the frame of mind where you're desiring to be mature and to do what all mature disciples do, which is reproduce, make after your own kind, meaning making disciples, making other followers of Christ. We are in our time of prayer and fasting, which is happening right now we started on Monday the 5th, and we're going until the 17th. Our time of Deeper Life service is happening from the 12th, 13th, and the 14th, and it's planning to be an awesome time in the presence of God. I'm excited for what is to come. We have Pastor Atkins Glasgow. He's going to be with us again from the 12th to the 14th every night at 7 p.m. right here at the VPA, and we're going to have an awesome time in the presence of God. I want you to come expecting to hear from God and to come expecting to hear tools that you can use and be encouraged to help you continue this journey of maturing in Christ. I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and I'm just excited, and we're here spending time in prayer. I hope you're praying about these 3 nights of Deeper Life services that we're going to be having, and you're expecting a move of God. I know I am. Looking forward to seeing you there. Blessings.